Hi guys, welcome to Wings Behind Cam. This video is all about escaping this pandemic. It's been almost a year that we are stuck in our homes, and every one of us, I'm sure, wants to go on a little tiny vacation. But when it comes to staying in hotel, people are really scared. So this video I have made for you guys to understand that how much precaution hotel staffs are taking. Because of my profession, I visit different places. So after this pandemic also, sorry, after this lockdown, pandemic is not over yet. But after this lockdown, I had an opportunity to visit Guwahati. So I went there and I visited a hotel where we had a layover, and I stayed there for 24 hours. So I wanted to share my experience, how much hygiene hotel staffs are taking and how satisfied I am. That's why I made this video, and I am sure this will be very much helpful for you guys. So please watch the video till the end, because you will see each and every rules, whatever protocol they are following. So this is going to be very much beneficial for you guys. So this is the way to the hotel from the airport. I just love Guwahati. I don't know why every time I come, I make videos because I think I love mountains. And yay, we reached hotel. So this is Taj Vivanta, and it takes approx 45 minutes to 1 hour depending on the traffic. And this is the hotel's lobby. This is the bar, this is the garden, and the pool is there. I'll show you the pool later. So this is so beautiful, like so mesmerizing. Okay, so this is the room. I'll give you a small tour of the room. Once you enter, you will see this washroom. Not exactly, but yeah, just beside the entrance, this the washroom was there, and this is the entrance area, and this is the sitting area where you can chill around. Say, I loved this room because the view is amazing. I'll show you the view. So this is the view I was talking about. The pool area is here, the mountain is here. Like, I was in love with the mountain. Like, look at the view, man. Who will not like it? I was unable to shoot the check-in part. There also they are taking full precaution. And this is the vanity area. I don't think there's any problem staying in hotel because they are taking hell lot of precautions. So chill. So this was my room. The queen size bed was there, and this is me. Ignore me, please. Why I called the first washroom as a first washroom, because we have two washrooms here. So this is the second washroom, the giant one, which I loved. You have everything available here. So I was very hungry, so I ordered some food for me. So you can see the kind of precaution they are taking. Like, see, everything is covered. So you can actually hog into food without worrying that how they have made or what precaution they are taking, because you can see the precaution they are taking, man. Like, see the PP and everything. You can easily eat, man. I though ate like anything. They have very nice, tasty food. You should definitely try this burfi if you are staying in Taj Vivanta. So I went to see if the pool is open or not, but then it was closed because of the government rules, as you can see. So I decided to explore some other place, which is gym. So I came here to see whether it is open or not, but luckily it was opened. So the gym was open from 5th of August. In the unlock phase 3.0, government has allowed to open all the gym, but the pool, steam and saunas are not open yet. So we have to wait some more. So there are certain rules which you need to follow inside the gym, which are the guest should not be above 65 years. Like, if you are more than 65, you can't go inside the gym, or you are a pregnant lady, you can't go inside the gym. And we have to sign a self declaration form before entering the gym. And at a time only 4 persons are allowed. This was the all protocol written, and we have to carry our own earphones. The protocol written here is only 2 people allowed per lift. and you can see there's the small stick kind of thing, so that you don't have to use your finger to press the button. I've never thought something like this the hotel staff could do. Like, this is immense amount of protection they are taking for the guests. Like, unbelievable. You don't have to touch anything. You just have to, you can take care of yourself. And I can freely roam here and there in this hotel because they are taking really good precautions, guys. Thank you so much, guys, for watching the video till the end, and I'm sure this will be very much helpful for you guys if you are planning to visit any place or go to an hotel and stay a night there, because yes, हम परेशान हो गए अपने रूम में रह रह के. So you can go there, and I am giving the thumbs up because I have seen the protocol and the hygiene level they are maintaining, and I'm very much impressed. So you guys, please like this video, subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed yet, and please share this video because I think this video will be helpful for so many people who are stuck at their home and want to go home but they are scared, like I was before. But now I am sure that you can go. So thank you for watching, and take care. Bye bye. Love you.